When it comes to kitchen essentials, having the right frying pan can make all the difference. If you've been looking for a frying pan that combines durability, style, and versatility, this Avacraft 1810 8-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid should be at the top of your list. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this frying pan provides superior performance, quality construction, and a modern touch to your cooking routine. Let's take a closer look at what makes this skillet a standout choice for your kitchen. Key features. Number 1. Premium 1810 stainless steel construction. The Avacraft 8-inch frying pan is made from high-quality 1810 stainless steel that offers strength and durability. The multi-layered construction ensures even heat distribution and eliminates any hot spots that could lead to uneven cooking. This pan is crafted with a 5-layer multiply bonded construction that enhances heat conductivity and retention, which is perfect for searing, browning, and cooking delicate foods like eggs or fish. Number 2. Versatile and induction-compatible. Whether you're cooking on an induction, gas, or electric cooktop, the Avacraft frying pan works seamlessly on any surface. Its induction compatibility makes it a perfect option for modern kitchens with induction cooktops, while also providing consistent results on other stovetops. With this frying pan, you don't need multiple pans for different cooking methods. It's a one-stop solution for all your frying, sautéing, and searing needs. Number 3. Side spouts for easy draining. This frying pan is designed with side spouts on both sides, which makes it easy to drain liquids or oils without making a mess. Whether you're frying bacon or sautéing vegetables, these side spouts help you pour out excess liquids quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort during cleanup. Number 4. Sturdy glass lid with clear view. The Avacraft frying pan comes with a strong, clear glass lid that allows you to monitor the cooking process without lifting the lid. This is especially handy when simmering or steaming, as it helps to retain heat and moisture for better cooking results. The lid is secure and stays in place, ensuring that your food cooks evenly. Number 5. Stay cool handle for safety and comfort. The Stay Cool handle design ensures a secure, comfortable grip while cooking. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing steaks, the handle stays cool even when the pan is hot, providing safety and ease of use. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle and maneuver, reducing the risk of accidental burns. Number 6. Easy to clean and maintain. Made from 1810 food-grade stainless steel, this frying pan is resistant to rust, stains, corrosion, and cracking. It's also dishwasher-safe, meaning cleanup is as easy as throwing it in the dishwasher. The matte finish inside helps prevent ugly scratches, while the mirror finish on the outside adds a sleek and polished look to your kitchen. It's both functional and beautiful. Number 7. Healthier cooking experience. Unlike non-stick frying pans, the Avacraft 1810 frying pan is a healthier choice, as it is free from toxic chemicals such as PTFE, PFOA, and other harmful substances often found in non-stick cookware. You can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for your kitchen. Number 8. Durable and long-lasting. This frying pan is built to last. Its high-quality construction ensures that it can withstand daily use without losing its shine or performance. The lifetime guarantee from Avacraft offers additional peace of mind, assuring you that this pan will be a reliable companion for many years to come. Why choose the Avacraft 1810 8-inch stainless steel frying pan? If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and easy-to-maintain frying pan, this 8-inch Avacraft stainless steel skillet is a fantastic choice. It excels in both form and function, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. This frying pan is perfect for home cooks and chefs who want an all-around reliable, high-quality skillet. Induction cooking enthusiasts who require a pan that works seamlessly on induction cooktops. Health-conscious individuals who prefer cookware that is free from toxic non-stick coatings. Anyone looking for an easy-to-clean, long-lasting kitchen essential. Great gift for loved ones. Looking for a perfect gift for a housewarming birthday, wedding, or Christmas? The Avacraft 8-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid makes an excellent gift for family, friends, and loved ones who enjoy cooking. With its sleek design and lifetime durability, it's a gift that will be cherished for years. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.